Unlock your English mastery. Dodging the pitfalls of possessive pronouns. Hello everyone, and welcome to our exciting journey through the intricate world of English grammar. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of possessive pronouns. They're small words that pack a punch when it comes to conveying ownership or belonging. But watch out, they're also prone to some common mistakes. But fear not, we're here with some practical tips to help you avoid these pitfalls. Let's start from the beginning, shall we? Possessive pronouns are used to indicate ownership or belonging. They include my, your, his, her, its, our, their, and whose. For example, this is my book, that is their house, and so on. But remember, these pronouns need to agree with the noun they're modifying in terms of number and gender, when applicable. Now let's tackle the most common mistakes we make with possessive pronouns. The first one involves confusing its, the possessive pronoun, with its. The contraction of it is or it has. The second common error is misusing your and your. Remember, your is a possessive pronoun, whereas your is a contraction of you are. A third typical mistake is confusing their, and their. Keep in mind that there is a possessive pronoun, there is a contraction of they are, and there is used to indicate a place or to introduce a sentence or clause. So, how do we avoid these pitfalls? Here are a few tips. Always double-check your writing. This may seem obvious, but it can save you from a lot of mistakes. After writing a sentence, reread it and make sure you've used the right form of the pronoun. Be cautious with contractions. Mistakes often occur when we confuse a possessive pronoun with a contraction. If in doubt, expand the contraction and see if the sentence still makes sense. Practice, practice, practice. Use exercises, quizzes, or flashcards to practice using possessive pronouns correctly. The more you practice, the more these rules will become second nature. There you have it, folks. Navigating the world of possessive pronouns doesn't have to be difficult. With a bit of caution and a lot of practice, you can master these tricky little words and avoid the common mistakes. So keep practicing, and don't forget to double-check your work. Stay tuned for more grammar fun, and until next time, keep expanding your English skills.